Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very educational as well as interesting. A lot of people keep asking me questions regarding audio and regarding microphones, and also I get a lot of comments on my videos saying that, hey Vimal, can you recommend us some good quality microphones? We are from filmmaking side, we make short films, so which microphone should we buy for our purpose? And that is the reason I'm making this video, guys. For my video production, I mostly use Rode microphones. All of them are from Rode. So yeah, this is what I have been using. But recently, this brand called Saramonic, it's a quite popular brand. They make microphones, guys. They launched this brand new broadcast quality shotgun microphone, guys, and it's not that expensive also, pretty similar prices to the Rode microphones, and I'm like pretty excited because it comes with some really promising specs, and that is the thing we'll be unboxing today. The model of this microphone is called as Soundbird T3, guys. It's a directional shotgun broadcast level microphone, and this is how it looks like. Let me give you a closer look. So as you can see, the microphone comes in this huge box packing. We've got a picture of the microphone over here, the Soundbird T3. Comes with some really cool features and especially made for filmmaking purpose, and also TV channel broadcasting, and for such kind of people. This is made for those kind of people. So the reason I'm really excited about this microphone is it's got some really cool features, guys. Like unlike the most of the microphones which are on phantom power supply, it also has a built-in lithium battery, so you don't need any sort of power supply, it can run on its own. And along with that, it's got some other features like there's a minus 10 dB pad. So this feature allows you to record loud level of sounds without any clipping. That's a good thing. Along with that, it's got a high frequency boost, 6 dB high frequency boost, and there's also a 150 Hz high pass filter to cut down all unwanted low frequency sounds and rumbles and all that. So yeah, this is what we'll be unboxing today. Alright then, let's get started with the video. So the Saramonic's new Soundbird T3 comes in this huge box packing. It's a directional broadcast quality shotgun microphone. I don't want to keep you guys anymore waiting, so I'll unbox it as fast as possible. On opening this outer packaging, we've literally got a suitcase on the inside. That is so cool, right? It's a good quality case made of plastic, has the Saramonic logo at the center, and is quite useful for carrying the microphone. Here we go. Oh, we've got a lot of stuff on the inside. Let me show you one by one. We've got some paperwork at the top which includes a user manual and a warranty card. A mini pouch just to carry the microphone, quite handy. And finally guys, here it is, Saramonic's brand new Soundbird T3 directional shotgun microphone. Oh wow, this thing feels quite heavy and solid in the hand. Before we talk about the mic in detail, let me also show you the other stuff we got in the box. There's a foam windshield with Saramonic branding, an adjustable mic holder, a good quality shock mount as well, a micro USB cable for charging purpose, and lastly an XLR cable. So these were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the microphone. So this is how Saramonic's new Soundbird T3 looks like. It's actually an upgrade of their previous model SRTM1. We've got the Saramonic branding on it, and it's actually pretty similar to the previous model in terms of size. Talking about the build quality, this thing is entirely made of solid brass construction, which helps in reducing the RF interference, and I love this beautiful hammer paint texture all over the body. You guys see these slots at the sides? They're designed for off-axis noise rejection. And this is how the microphone looks from the front. So that was about the design. Now let me show you all the available buttons on it. It's got about 4 buttons with LED indicators. There's a power on off button, a minus 10 dB pad, plus 6 dB high frequency boost, and a 150 Hz high pass filter. So those are all the available buttons on the mic. On the other side, we've got the Soundbird T3 branding, and going to the bottom there's an XLR socket and a micro USB port for charging. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality of the product. Now what I'll do is I'll put this microphone to a test and see how it performs. Alright guys, now it's time to put this Saramonic's brand new Soundbird T3 shotgun microphone to a test. So right now we are testing this microphone in a closed indoor room with no sort of acoustics done. So you may hear some reflections because there are no acoustics done in this room. It's a simple normal room, but we're doing this because you'll get a better idea when you use this microphone in general conditions. So first, before we start with the testing, let me tell you the specs of this product. frequency response range is from 75 Hz to 20 kHz, and talking about the dynamic range, it's about 125 dB, and the signal to noise ratio is around 80 dB. So those were the specs of this microphone. So the microphone is placed around like 6 to 7 inches away from my mouth, and this is how the sound quality on this microphone sounds like. Hello, check 1 2 3. Audio quality check on Saramonic's brand new Soundbird T3 directional shotgun microphone. It's a high quality broadcast quality microphone. So do let me know what do you think about this, quality of the audio in the comment section down below. So yeah, what we'll be doing now is, along with the quality of the sound test, I'll also give you a small polar pattern test. I'll be rotating this microphone completely, so you'll get an idea on the polar pickup pattern of the microphone. So let's get started. Right now the microphone is facing me. I'll be rotating it slowly and be talking. So let's get started. Hello, check 1 2 3. I'm slowly rotating the microphone in anti-clockwise direction. Now it's completely to the sideways, and this is how the microphone picks up my audio. Hello, check 1 2 3. Now we are still rotating it, going to the back side of the microphone. And yeah, what do you think about it? How is the microphone picking up the sound from the back side? You'll get to know all this in the video right now. Do use a headphones, you'll get a better idea. You can better judge the quality of the sound. Now let's rotate it even further. Hello, check 1 2 3. Saramonic Soundbird T3 shotgun microphone. So yeah, that was a polar pickup pattern of the microphone. Now let me tell you about the features and the different buttons present on this microphone. As you can see, we've got about 4 buttons at the top of the Soundbird T3. The first one is a power on-off button. I'm right now using it on phantom power supply, and that is why this power button doesn't work. But instead of that, if you use it on the built-in lithium battery, you can power it on and off as per your convenience. So that was the first button. And talking about the other features, as I mentioned earlier, it's got a lot of features. Like there's a 150 Hz high pass filter. Right now it's switched off, guys. All the features are off. So I'll be showing you on and off difference between the audio, like when you switch them on what happens, and when you switch them off how the audio sounds like. Right now the 150 Hz high pass filter is off. Now I'll be switching it on and showing how the audio will be sounding like. Okay, switching it on right now. So the 150 Hz high pass filter is on. So as I've told you earlier, it's got a frequency response range from 75 to 20 kHz, right? The low frequency roll-off was pretty good for general use, but even if you want to cut down like even more low frequency sounds like the rumbles or unwanted noise, you can switch on the high pass filter, and the low frequency roll-off will go up to 150 Hz and eliminate all those unwanted sounds in your audio. And this is how the audio on it sounds like. So that is what 150 Hz high pass filter does. So I'm switching it back off. And then next, so we're done with that. Next, we've got the high frequency boost. So usually when you're using the microphone just like this, everything is fine. The HF response is also pretty good. Talking about my experience, I didn't have to use that. But when I used that provided windshield, on top of that, I felt the high frequency response was slightly getting reduced. Happens with most of the microphone. And in those cases, you have to turn on this high frequency boost, and that will balance out your high frequency. It's got a 6 dB high frequency boost. So let me just switch it on and show you the effect. So yeah, the HF boost is on right now, and you can hear that crispy treble HF response in the audio. Hello, check 1 2 3. Saramonic Soundbird T3 with HF boost on. So this is how it sounds like. So based on my experience, guys, the HF boost on it is pretty good. I've tested a lot of microphones from different bands, but I've seen that whenever you switch on this high frequency boost, you get this sort of sibilance effect, like when you talk anything through the tip of your tongue, you get this, this sound, this kind of sound that can be quite irritating. That's what I feel. But even when you turn on the HF boost on this microphone, it's not that pronounced, it's quite soft, sweet. It's pretty smooth, and I really like that. So yeah, that was about the HF boost. So let me just switch it back off. So yeah, we're back to normal. So those were the two effects, and along with that, what else do we have? So yeah, the third feature we'll be talking about is the -10 dB pad. So when you're usually recording like loud sounds, there are chances that your audio might get clipped, and to prevent that, you have this option on this microphone. When you turn on this -10 dB, it reduces the gain, so you can record loud sounds also without any clipping. So let me show you what happens when you do that. Right now it's switched off. Now let me turn it on. Hello check, hello check. So yeah, the minus 10 dB option is on right now, and this is how the audio on it sounds like. You can observe the audio, right? The gain has been reduced. Hello check 1 2 3. Soundbird T3 minus 10 dB feature switched on. Hello check. So yeah, these were all the different features present on the Soundbird T3 broadcast shotgun microphone from Saramonic. Okay, so we're almost done with the testing of this microphone. So before we proceed with the video, let me also show you how this microphone sounds like when you talk from a very close distance, or you can call it even as a proximity effect. So hello check, as you can see, the microphone is pretty close to my mouth, and this is how it sounds like. Hello check 1 2 3, Saramonic Soundbird T3 studio quality broadcast shotgun microphone test. Hello check 1 2 3. You can hear that pop sound when you're talking from very close. That's because of the wind blowing out from your mouth. If you want to prevent this, you can use a pop filter in front of the microphone, and that'll help you reduce that sound. So yeah, this is how it sounds like. Hello check Soundbird T3 proximity test. So this is a quick comparison between my previous microphone and my new microphone. Previously, I used to use the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. Even that is a shotgun microphone, and both these microphones are pretty similarly priced at around 25,000 rupees. So yeah, before we get started with the testing, let me tell you, both these microphones are at stock settings. None of the features have been turned on them, and I'm recording the audio on both these microphones on my Zoom H6 recorder. Both of them are recording simultaneously, so I'll be switching the audio tracks in the video, so you'll get a comparison between the audio quality on both these microphones. So let's get started. Hello check 1 2 3, microphone comparison test between the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus and the Saramonic Soundbird T3 microphone. Both of these are shotgun microphones. So yeah, this is how they sound like. Hello check 1 2 3, Rode versus Saramonic Soundbird T3 microphone comparison test. Hello check 1 2 3. So yeah, that was a quick comparison between both of them. Talking about the audio quality on both these microphones, which one did you guys like? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you would ask me, I personally prefer the sound on this Saramonic Soundbird T3 guys, because I feel it's quite sweet. I like the tonal clarity on it. There's no harshness in the treble. It's quite smooth, and also the noise floor levels are also very less. I felt that there was very minimum noise while recording audio on this microphone, and that's why since the day I got it, I've completely replaced my previous Rode microphone and been using my Soundbird T3 for all my previous videos. So yeah, that was a quick comparison test between the Rode and Saramonic's new shotgun microphone. Alright, now let's see how this microphone performs at different distances. Right now I'm talking to the microphone through a distance of around 1 feet. As you can see, I'm very close to the microphone, and this is how it sounds like. Hello check 1 2 3, Saramonic Soundbird T3 microphone performance test from very close distance of around 1 feet. Now what I'll do is I'll just move back a bit far away from the microphone and see how it performs. So let me go back. Okay, so this is around like 3 feet distance away from the microphone, and this is how it sounds like guys. Hello check 1 2 3, Saramonic Soundbird T3 microphone test from 3 feet distance. And yeah, what do you think about the audio quality? Do keep letting me know in the comment section. Now let me go a little bit more far away till my computer and see how the microphone performs. So let me go back. So this is around like 6 feet distance from the microphone. It's quite far. Hello check 1 2 3, Saramonic's new Soundbird T3 broadcast quality shotgun microphone test. So this is how the microphone performs. Well, that was my detailed review on Saramonic's new Soundbird T3 shotgun microphone. It's a really good mic for the price. The build quality is nice. It's got a lot of features, like there's a built-in lithium battery, high frequency boost option, high pass filter, and also a minus 10 dB pad. On the overall, I was quite satisfied with this mic's performance. I'll just leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.